Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give complete explanation about 10 IT MNCs started their hiring for freshers. So before going there, just subscribe and like my channel. Let's go to the page. First one going beyond parallel wire with multiple role. In this we are going to see 3 roles from this company, parallel row company, for multiple job opportunities. The first one going to be software engineering fresh engineers they are required. So clearly they can mention fresh 0 to 2 years in any one programming language in C or C++, Matplotlib or data structure, algorithm. Any skill should be mentioned below the things which they mentioned here, and you should have been excellent spoken English and written English should be there. So remember, a nice to have a scripting and Python, any programming language, and a bachelor from BTech and IT from reinforced universities, and they won't charge any amount guys, so you can start apply here. And the second position going to be an training engineering from Pune, which they mentioned earlier, same as coding in any one language, C or C++, and development knowledge. And the next one going to be an multiple job opportunities, whether customer service, system engineering, professional, finance, junior assessment, marketing, all kind of roles I am provided here. You can visit our channel. And the next one going to be CSS for motive technology crop started their hiring for Hyderabad, Secunderabad and Electronic Cities Bangalore. They mentioned their locations here itself, so you can start apply here, and you can visit the direct interview in the native places itself, Bangalore, Hyderabad. From BTech, ME, Tech, all branches can apply for this role. This is somewhat loading. This is what they from through workers from Fishing Higher Technology started their hiring for BTech, ME, Tech. First your name, just give your and your email ID. The email ID should receive the interview call. Everything should be mentioned through email ID. So just give your email ID correctly, and your phone number should not start with 91. So your phone number should not start with 91 guys. So you should directly give 9010 numbers. You just want to give which role you are looking for. This kind of role they are mentioned here. Other option also you can give it, which location, year of passed out, and your gender, and BTech internship experience online or offline, no problem, just give yes. If you are having programming knowledge, just give yes. Having SQL, just give. Having UI designer, just give out, no problem. Interview profile shortlisted, you should be direct interview, just give us and upload your resume. And the next one going to be graduate engineering from Pune, Chennai, Bangalore, for the graduate consultancy from, which is going to be a company which is you are going to apply through workers. So BTech, ME, Tech, all can apply for this 0 to 1 year of experience, mini project, major project, and the skill, communication, everything they can mention. I will provide link in the description how to create a first Naurkri account. Watch it and start create account guys. And next one going to be an Cognizant started their hiring for freshers. For last date would be 31st October is the last date. All branches can apply from BTech, ME, Tech. I will provide link in the description how to create account. So you can start in 3 to 6 LPA for the freshers Gurkam from 2022 batches. Only shortlisted candidate get an exam link, so your resume should be shortlisted. And this is the main portal for Cognizant, and it will take some time, and you will scan software engineering training role from Motorola from Kochi, Trivandrum, Python and code analysis from SQL and non-SQL databases should be there. And strong in Python, Dangio framework and Pyramid should be there. These are all the key skills they are looking for the fresher student. So you can visit this company page also, and Azure, all kind of things you can mention. You can share this resume to this mail. And this is what technical support from Electronic Cities Bangalore from VMware started their hiring for freshers. BTech, ME, Tech, all can apply for this role successfully, which they mentioned. BSc, BA, cloud visualization, all can apply. MS Associated Software Engineering from freshers from Pune, Maharashtra, which they mentioned BTech, and you can fill out your resume directly here itself. And which one we missed out here, it's taking time. So this all the company started their hiring. You can visit our channel at any time. If you have any doubt, comment me, share this video to your friends who are looking for a good IT job. Thanks for watching.